PS5 controller not pairing? Let's fix it now. Is your PS5 controller just blinking and refusing to connect? It is frustrating, I know. But don't worry, you can fix this issue yourself at home after watching this video. Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more helpful tech fixes. If you face any difficulty, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour to help you out. Let's dive into the verified solutions. We will cover both common and uncommon methods. First, check your USB-C cable. Is it a proper data cable? Many cables only charge. You need a charge and sync cable for pairing to work. Try a simple reboot of your PS5 console first. This often fixes minor glitches. Connect the cable to your PS5, then go to your controller and press the PS button. The light bar should blink and then stay solid. This means you are connected. If that fails, locate the small pinhole on the back near the Sony logo. Use a paperclip or sim tool to hold it for at least 5 seconds. Now connect the cable again and press the PS button to repair it fresh. To pair wirelessly, hold the Create and PS buttons at the same time. The light bar will blink rapidly. This indicates it is now in pairing mode. On your PS5, go to Settings, then go to Accessories, then go to General. Then, go to Bluetooth Accessories and select your DualSense controller from the list. If it is already listed but not working, select it and choose Forget Device. Then try the pairing process from scratch using the USB cable or pairing mode. Check for updates. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to System Software. Then select System Software Update and Settings to ensure everything is current. Finally, clean your charging port and check for wireless interference from other devices. You have got this! Your DualSense should be working now. Happy gaming!